Yo, we back with another video. In today's video, we have another ship out. So let me go ahead and get these to the table and I'll show you what we got. These are the Air Jordan 5 Raging Bulls. Now these are in good condition. You can tell by the suede, like, wow. But I'm gonna go ahead and take these to the station and get these plastic wrapped. So I'm gonna plastic wrap these, plug in this sealer, and I'm gonna bring it back outside to show you how I get it perfect. So boom, since I got that done, I'm gonna use this hair dryer to get all the excess plastic wrap onto the shoe, and then I'm gonna get back with y'all here in a minute. On these, just make sure you're not using as much heat because it will easily make a hole in the shoe. That's the most important step. So we got the one shoe done, but I'm not gonna lie, with all these different crevices, it's hard to get it perfect, but I did what it could. And so now we're gonna get to the second shoe and do the exact same thing. Now the final step is to do the bottom of the shoe, and that will be it for plastic wrapping. So we have both of them done now, so let me go find a box to put these in so we can go ahead and take these to the UPS store. Make sure we got a good fit. I can always break down the box. That's never an issue. So now we're gonna add the bubble wrap. If you can see here, it's alright. And then we're gonna add the business cards. You always have to have business cards. How do they know who they're getting shoes from? So right here, I'm just breaking it down by the corners and I'm gonna fold it in. It's not that hard. It's just the cheapest way to get some shoes shipped out. So if y'all really want a full tutorial on how to break this down perfectly and all this extra, I can show it to y'all. It's real easy. I'm showing you little previews of how I'm doing it here, but it's not that hard. So you just have to comment and I will show you how to do it. So right here, I'm like, okay, so I can't get this box to fold right. Do I have to cut something? Did I have it the wrong way? So I was like, boom. Boom. Okay, that'll work now. I just need to put the tape on top. And this will easily close up with no problem. So now I have to go get the label printed, take them to the car, and now we off to UPS. If you like these videos, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want more like it, go ahead and subscribe.